Handling global employee taxes can be complex, but with Deel, it's easier than ever. In this quick guide, I'll show you how Deel simplifies this process for companies managing international teams. Deel helps businesses manage payroll and taxes for remote employees across the world. It's especially powerful for companies with global operations who need to pay workers in different countries while staying compliant with local tax laws. If you're new to Deel, you're in the right place because this platform automates everything from contracts to payments, making sure you're always on top of employee taxes without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about how Deel handles global employee taxes. First, Deel ensures compliance with local tax regulations in over 150 countries. When you hire someone in another country, Deel automatically calculates the correct tax deductions for that location. The platform is continuously updated with the latest tax laws, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes that could cost you. One of the most convenient features is that Deel offers both full-time employees and contractors an easy way to manage their own taxes. With its built-in payroll system, Deel ensures that the correct tax rates are applied and the necessary withholdings are taken care of. You won't have to manually figure out tax percentages or worry about changing tax rules in different regions. Deel does that for you. With Deel, you don't just get tax calculation, you also get a powerful compliance system that makes sure you're following all local employment laws. Whether you're hiring employees in Europe, Asia, or Latin America, Deel helps ensure that you're paying the right taxes and providing the necessary benefits. This reduces your legal risks and helps you focus more on growing your business rather than dealing with tax issues. Deel also provides an easy-to-use dashboard that makes managing global employees a breeze. You can quickly see your team's payroll information, tax deductions, and pay history in one place. You'll also get notifications about important tax filing dates so you don't miss any deadlines. The software is designed to be fully transparent with no hidden fees or complicated tax structures. Everything is laid out for you to review so you can stay on top of everything. Deel also offers local bank payments, ensuring employees get paid in their local currency without any hassle. Plus, it handles tax filings and reports automatically, saving you hours of work. To make it even better, Deel gives you access to an exclusive and extended free trial when you use the first link below. So if you want to test it out for yourself, now's the perfect time. With Deel, you can rest easy knowing you're handling global employee taxes in the most efficient and compliant way possible. So, if you're handling international payroll, Deel could be the solution you've been searching for. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get your extended free trial and start simplifying your global operations today.